We recently did a podcast for it from Dreams to Plans podcast on channeling your alter ego. And I had gotten questions about people feeling that they were fake if they channel their alter ego, which I want to circle back on, because you're not necessarily being fake. You're channeling your best self. Renee is who I am, right? I'm Renee. But my girlfriend Renee is this. I show up as the most confident, best version of Renee. So my girlfriend Renee, if you meet me in person, I'm exactly the same. I'm high energy, I'm a little weird, and I'm super cute in person. I mean, just saying. But that is who I am in my core. But the better version of me, of Renee, is my girlfriend Renee. When I go live, when I go on a podcast, when I go on Clubhouse, when I do my lives, I channel the best version of myself. My girlfriend Renee is not scared. My girlfriend Renee is not shy. My girlfriend Renee isn't insecure. My girlfriend Renee is a powerhouse. My girlfriend Renee is confident. And my girlfriend Renee is the best version of me because I did the mindset work to create her. So if you have insecurity, doubt, fear, you don't feel comfortable, then figure out what you can do to make that a reality now. Create your alter ego, whatever that is. Doesn't have to be, something significantly different. It could just be you, ignoring the fear and saying, no, today I'm going to be different. Today I'm going to get out of my comfort zone and I'm going to leave fear in the background. And that's all you have to do. So channeling your alter ego is such a great way to get you out of your own way and into your purpose. So if you are having a little bit of trouble with that, go ahead and listen to that. I think it's like episode 15, 14, Cat's Gonna Kill Me. I don't know. It's one of those episodes on the Dreams to Plans podcast, and we walk through channeling our alter ego and what that means to me and what that means to Cat. So if you have, those